सदाशिवसमारम्भा शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. So today's subject, today's sutra is art of right listening. Listening has been prescribed as a first step in almost all spiritual traditions in the world. Rishis, the oldest spiritual tradition, Vedic tradition, they start with the spirituality with the word Shravana, listening. Buddhist tradition starts the 8 steps for nirvana. First step is right listening. J. Krishnamurti, the modern day master, goes a step ahead, step further, says right listening is God. He gives the place of God to right listening. What is exactly right listening? Hearing is different, listening is different. Hearing means sound enters into your ears, gets processed. Either it creates fear or greed or different emotions. Listening means sound enters into your system and gets absorbed into your system, leads your system from sound to silence. Understand? It's like almost if the pond is dirty, if you put little lime powder, the lime powder will take the dust and settle on the ground. So in few minutes, the whole pond will be clean. Same way, the right listening is put on chaotic mind, the mind which is full of words. Right listening is sprinkled, sprayed, like a lime powder. It will take away all the dust, which is words and thoughts in your mind, and settle down on the ground. Right listening means the sounds which leads you from sound to silence. The right listening can happen when you are ready to listen with anything. Chirping of the bird can lead you to enlightenment. Sound of bamboo can be the Upanishad mantras. The sound of Ganges can be the Anahata Dvani. With right listening, everything that echoes in your system, everything that reverberates in your inner space leads you to silence. Of course, the possibility for right listening, the happening of right listening happens more in the presence of a living master, an incarnation, who himself has experienced the Anahata Dvani, the sound which is uncreated in his inner space. Again and again and again, the emphasis on right listening is put. Because the right listening is an independent, intelligent technique which can directly lead you to the higher space and higher reality. With the right listening, you will understand the sound waves which reaches your inner space is deeper than the visions which reaches your inner space. When I say this, I mean the sounds which you are hearing now, the words which are entering your inner space are more stronger, more truthful, more higher reality than the scenes you are seeing around you. The wax out of which the scenes are created, which you are seeing around you, is of much lower quality than the words which are reaching your inner space. The sound which I am creating now, which is reaching your inner space, is more stronger base material to create what you want than what you are seeing as a scene. As long as you feel what you are seeing is more stronger reality than what you are hearing, you are in illusion, maya. You are hallucinating. The right listening has not yet happened in you. When you feel what you are listening, the words which are entering your inner space is more powerful than the scene you are seeing. The right listening is happening in you. Sit with deep awareness how the words are touching your ears and reverberating your inner space. You will see the words which are touching your inner space and reverberating, and the reactions created by them, and the space created by them, consciousness happens in you by them, are more higher reality than the scenes you are seeing around you. This is what I call art of right listening. Better I will use the word science of right listening. The word art is too much loaded and unabused by too many people with too many words. Science of listening. as rishis describe, listening in their own way, Shravana, Buddha describes right listening. Krishnamurti describes right listening is God. I'll add my part to the right listening. I'll give you a powerful process for right listening. Bring your awareness to the third eye area, forehead. See very clearly the sounds. Sounds is the right word, not even words. Sounds from the master. How it penetrates your third eye. Please understand, sounds from master reaches your system through your third eye, not through your ears. Ordinary words which leads you to more and more words reaches you towards your ears. The words which leads you from sound to silence, the sounds which leads you from sound to silence reaches your system through third eye. Have your awareness in the third eye. See how the words are penetrating and how they are reverberating and what kinds of meanings, emotions, experiences they are creating in your system. Just see the whole thing. Seeing the whole thing is listening. Understand? Listen through the third eye. Whatever happens inside, see it. That's all. This is a powerful process to listen. Whenever you find time, sit with master's discourses, words, listen through third eye, you will have new understanding. By the end of the discourse, you would have been already put in deep silence. Never ever listen to a person who creates more thoughts in you. Listen to the words and a person who leads you to the deeper and deeper space of silence and higher space of realities. The master's words come from a frequency where what you are seeing as the world is too small. What you see as the world is illusion in my space. So anything comes from my space and reaches your inner space lead you to the same experience of my space. So any word which comes from this inner space and enters your inner space leads you to the same experience of my inner space. Means this is smaller reality than the sounds created. Sit with this science of right listening. The process of science of right listening. It is enlightenment. I don't want to say it will lead you to enlightenment. It is enlightenment. What Upanishads calls as Shravana, what Buddha calls as Sammati, what J. Krishnamurti calls as right listening is God. I am giving you this process to make all that three as experience into you. My unique contribution to the spiritual tradition is creating processes, sharing the processes with the world to make every truth into experience, reality. So, I'll add my part to the Shravana, Sammati, right listening. This part, the science of listening. Sit with your awareness on the third eye, listen through the third eye, and see how the sounds penetrate your system and how it reverberates in your system. What all emotions, experiences, expressions, ripples it creates, and those ripples and emotions and experiences, where it leads you, just see. You will experience right listening, as rightly said by J. Krishnamurti, God Himself. Let you all live and radiate enlightenment, live and radiate the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
All that I smell, I offer to you, Swami Nityananda. All that I see, all that I hear, I offer to you, Swami Nityananda. Like this dance, and this song, and this joy, I surrender to you. All that I feel, all that I am, I offer to you.